What is going on, guys? This is Storm Rider 116 coming at you from San Diego, California. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe, and also if you can head down to my Instagram page, follow me at Storm Rider 116. So today we're going to be doing a quick review on the quadlock motorcycle handlebar mount, also the quadlock iPhone 14 mag case. So I already got the handlebar mount mounted onto my handlebars. So let's go ahead and take a look, and then we'll jump on the road and talk about it.
All right, guys, as you can see here, we got the quadlock mount right on my handlebars here. It comes with an Allen wrench, so you could adjust it to your liking. It also comes with spacers, little rubber spacers. So depending on the size of your bars, you may need the spacers if you have thinner bars. I have 1 1/4 inch bars, so I did not need them. Fits on perfectly, looks secure. Very simple to get my cell phone on there. There you go, just like that, snaps right on. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump on the road and we'll talk about it some more. What is going on, guys? We're on the road here, and as you can see, I got the quadlock motorcycle handlebar mount on. My cell phone's on there, looks good and secure. If I hit a pothole or a bump, I don't feel like my phone's gonna pop off. So it's definitely serving its purpose. And like I mentioned before, you could adjust this to your liking. You can have your phone tilted however you want. Comes with an Allen wrench, so you can get that right angle for you. Also, like I mentioned, it comes with the spacer rings. Depending on your handlebar size, you may need them for installation. So prior to getting the quadlock motorcycle handlebar mount, I wasn't too sure about the aesthetics of it, because in my honest opinion, I think 8-hangers look best when you don't have anything attached to them. That even includes like this windshield. I personally think the bike looks better without the windshield. But there's kind of like this battle between comfort, convenience versus style. And you know, I do ride a lot, so from getting beat down by the wind, that was one of the reasons why I decided to put the windshield on, which is a whole nother review. But going back to comfort and convenience and how this relates to it, like I said, aesthetically, it doesn't look bad. It just looks, the bars look better when you don't have anything on them. But what sucks is when you're on a long ride and you have to pull over to see where you're going, or to see if you missed your exit or whatnot. I mean, it's very inconvenient having to stop and look at your phone and go, oh, am I in the right spot? Especially if you don't have the route memorized. So it's nice and convenient. You have it right here in front of you. You can turn on your navigation app, and that way you're never lost. You know where you're going, and you're not missing your turns. So would I recommend you getting it? Yeah, if you don't have any sort of navigation on your bike, for example, if you have a bagger and you have one of those nice display screens where you have navigation, then you probably don't need it. But some people like to have their phone right in front of them, maybe to navigate through music or whatnot. So it doesn't have to just be for navigation, I guess you could say. So yeah, if you don't have any sort of those cool displays on your bike, then yeah, I think it's definitely worth it, especially if you go on long rides. It's very convenient to have, like I mentioned earlier, and it's really an inexpensive investment. I paid less than $100 for it. I think it was, I don't know, maybe it was just under $100 with shipping. That also includes the cell phone case. So One thing that, you know, I didn't mention about the cell phone case is it's very sturdy, so I feel that my phone, if I were to drop my phone, it would definitely protect it. If I was to, of course, drop it face down and there's debris or rocks on the ground, then, you know, of course my phone's probably going to shatter. But other than that, yeah, it's a very sturdy case, and definitely gives you good protection. So all in all, this thing's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, you know, if you do long rides and you don't have that display, definitely consider getting one. And yeah, so that's really all I have to say about the motorcycle handlebar mount. If you have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And thank you for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe. Also head down to my Instagram page, StormRider116. And until the next ride, remember to always have fun.